What's going on YouTube? CoinCapitalyt here, and today in this video I'm going to be talking about AgEagle Aerial Incorporation with the ticker UAVS once again. So this is a drone company. They're a provider of advanced drone-enabled data analytics for results in oriented, sustainable, and precision farming, as well as distribution and just delivery of drone unmanned vehicles. But the point of discussion here today is, should you buy the dip? As you know, this is a stock that I've talked about quite a bit on this channel. I made a video on why it should completely go bolster, and at the point it was about $7 a share. It went all the way up to 17, but now it fell 36.4% today. We're looking at a decrease of about $5 a share today, and just at around the $9 cusp mark. Something I did not expect, but this all has to do in part with Buisness research. If you don't know, they've been short on the stock, but they made a completely controversial article about the company, completely calling it a pump and dump, a scam to all investors, and for people to be wary about the stock. Now, this is something you'd expect from somebody who's shorting it, right? But the influence this had is completely skewed the stock. As you can see, it completely, you can say, crashed today, and this has to do with the news so far. We've also seen the Motley Fool do an article on this, Business Insider, so we're seeing a lot of attention with this stock. Something similar happened to eHang, another drone stock. So this entire sector and the tech sector has been like really punched today. And just the drone stocks themselves have really taken a big hit and toll today, and that's from news. So I'm actually going to talk to you about the article. I'm going to read it out loud and pick it apart. I'm talking about why I think buying the dip right now is a great idea, and why AgEagle actually has a promising future rather than a demise when it comes to this stock itself. So when we go on buisnessresearch.com, the first thing that pops up is their quote latest idea as of February 18th, 2021. The first paragraph says, "We believe that AgEagle Aerial Systems was a pump and dump scheme orchestrated by Alpha Capital and AgEagle founder and former chairman Brett Chilcott and other UAVS insiders to defraud U.S. investors." That's a brash claim. That's a big claim right there. We also see it says in April of 2020, rumor of a partnership between Amazon and AgEagle was started by a promotional video uploaded to AgEagle's founder and former chairman Brett Chilcott's daughter's personal website and YouTube account. Since then, a 54-page due diligence document was circulated on Reddit, which at various times was referenced in the promo video and suggested that the AgEagle partnership with Amazon was real. Now, Buisness research claims they have found no evidence of any, quote, major e-commerce customer or any drone technology credited to AgEagle other than the reference in the promo video leaked by AgEagle's founder and former chairman. They also say in Q4 2020, an Amazon spokesperson disclosed to reporter Daniel McCoy of the Wichita Business Journal that Amazon specifically does not have any dealings with AgEagle whatsoever. Do I think that the rumor's still possible? I think it's still possible, but I think this is going to really affect the price because it was kind of baked in. There was a lot of hype movement in the stock based upon this rumor. Now, I'm not going to say it's 100% out of the window, but I'm not going to say I'm not going to say like it's really possible. It's still out there. It's still brought to question. I don't think that this article should have had such impact. I mean, when you read the article for yourself, if you go on buisnessresearch.com, it's really not well written. It's short. It's like 200 words, and they're calling this the dump. They're saying insider ownership declined from 44% to 0.5%, and that is, quote, the dump. Now, that's just not true. That's actually false information. If we look at insiders, we see that there's actually more ownership, and I'm going to bring up these numbers right now. So, I mean, different resources post different numbers. Not everything is completely accurate, but when looking at, we see Burl Scott has about 60,700 shares. Chilcott Brett has about 5.6 million shares. Another chief executive officer has about 100,000. CFO Fernandez McGovern has about 70,000. Low Atticus has about 26,000 shares. Miller James has about 20,000 shares. And Mooney Barrett has about 100,000 shares. We're seeing a bit of a sale here, but I mean, these are shares that are still out there, that are still being held. I mean, this is last reported in December, but when looking at the CEO president, as I discussed, there's about 58 million shares outstanding in total, and there's about 7 million shares, or 11.96% in institutional ownership. And there's 63 institutional owners, and this stock is the biggest holdings in the Hail ETF, which is the Spider Kenshou's movement ETF, and that's a very promising number. No one like that, especially not Sector Spider Kensho, would ever put a pump and dump stock as big as holdings at about 1 million shares in their ETF. I think this article was just made because they really are a short. Buisness Research is been infamous for doing this recently. We've seen it before where they've gotten in trouble for falsifying information, but I mean, I'm not going to go out and say just because I really like the company that, Buisness Research is completely wrong, but I think that it was completely oversold. We're seeing blood in the water. And I foresee a recovery and comeback. So if you want to take it as this, look at it this way. The price now is the price without the Amazon rumors, because everybody sold out because they think it's false. So if the price is right now at support about $9.14 share, without Amazon rumors, it's kind of only up from here. Now that's a very brash claim I just said, but that's the way I look at it. I think this stock, by April, is a $20 stock. Now, a company with $1 billion market cap with only, with not much sales revenue is scary. I do think they're semi-overvalued, but I think the speculation should be there. This company is very promising. There's a lot of new jobs opening up within the company. They only have a few permanent employees, but we're seeing a lot of expansion. They recently acquired MicaSense Inc. For about $23 million in a stock transaction, which is very big deal. They've also have federal patents, or I should say legalities, with Florida and Iowa with their hemp overview systems, which is hemp agricultural. So this is a sound company. They're only about like $1 million in debt. They have $40 million in cash float. This is a company that is very speculative, but for a reason, not just because of the Amazon rumors, which people think is the only reason why. So I'm buying the dip. I am not a financial advisor or expert. Trade your own risk, do your own due diligence. But that's what this video is mainly about. It's kind of about why the stock plummeted and why right now could be an amazing buying opportunity at such low prices that we haven't seen in a few months. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, follow, comment, and subscribe. Check out my TikTok at coincapitalyt and my Instagram at coincapitalyt. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.